is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
My people, we don't come again. Oh. We dey welcome una come this program wey they call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to una from Procyon radio and television. I get my people full ground today for studio. Evening, you are welcome.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
And then Gloria Enoch, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
My name is Sarah Abo. I beg, if una dey watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, like, share our video, and drop your comment. We dey for different social media handle. We dey for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We dey for LinkedIn, and we dey for all over. Just type Procyon RTV. Una go see us there. So the tori wey we get to carry come give una today na sharp tori. We wan talk about child upbringing. Child upbringing. So how you dey take bring up your pikin na we dey talk about today. Today the tori wey we come look, sit down look for area, different tori wey we dey get about how our children dey come up, dey do different things. Now we come see say true na the thing wey parents teach children na im the children go know. If you grow up with your pikin where you dey sit down drink wetin dey call this local drink now, brokoto. That is that local drink wey our people dey mix locally with maize or corn or wetin wey dem dey take cook am, put big pot for fire, cook am well. Then dem go come allow am dey sour. You know, if you born pikin and you talk say my pikin welcome to the world, you carry your hand like this, take fetch am, take feed the pikin. E mean say you don introduce that drink to your pikin.
You shut am.
The pikin go grow up dey drink that drink. If na ogogoro you dey drink and you see say my pikin welcome to the world, you carry the ogogoro chook for the pikin mouth say take, you don welcome am be that. Anything wey you take welcome your pikin, anyhow wey you take welcome am, na so your pikin go grow. Then they talk say wetin you sow na you go reap. So but our prayer be say any pikin wey fall into that kind hand, may God help us, make the society fit help the pikin make e comot from that thing. Some women, even when they get belle, Gloria and Evelyn, even when they get belle, they go say they dey go meet for somewhere, friends, you understand? They go buy drink with pikin for belle. Drink. Some of them, the children that they carry them, they go say na meeting now. They go even carry the drink, give the pikin drink, say make the pikin sleep, make e no worry them. You understand? Then they do am well because I don see am, na dey talk am. Give am drink, say make e sleep. We no wan make the pikin worry them. And then tomorrow when your pikin grow, come dey drink, you go come dey talk say you no know how this kind thing go come dey do your pikin. Meanwhile na you introduce am. And e get some women wey be say, you know, if dem go occasion like this, dem sabi thief meat. Thief, you go steal where your pikin dey. You go even dey carry the thing give your pikin say hide am, take, run, go there, hide am. Just go. Don't let anybody see am, hide am. You don't thief. In the presence of your pikin, you hand over to your pikin, teach am how to go hide am. Tomorrow your pikin go occasion, they come meet you say your pikin go occasion, go thief meat or thief food, drink, carry and hide. They go catch this pikin. You go come dey cry say no, this pikin why? You know, wetin you teach your pikin,
Now you go be.
na you go do. So na that one we dey talk today. I no know, Gloria, if you want chook mouth for this matter.
I chook mouth. My people, I greet una once again. As we don come today, we thank God for giving us this day. This one na concerning mother and pikin. When we talk like that, na mother and pikin.
Even
Mama and pikin.
even e dey affect the male child with the father, or even the child with the father, everything na the parents.
Na family now.
Yes.
They talk about. Maybe I wan start am like this one wey because e happen for my own
area. Okay.
And they always see am.
Okay.
And if I dey see am, I no dey too talk because it depend how you relate with the people where you stay together. But I dey look am, I go think say, whether na their own culture whether na their own belief be that o. But for me, because we for my side, we no dey do like that. You go see say mother dey drink, grandmother dey drink, grand pikin dey drink, great grand pikin dey drink. So you go look their life like this, go look their life round. So who go correct each other? E no dey. So you wey be say you never see that kind thing before, e go be you like say these people dem dey live abi na play dem dey play, na life be this one. Nobody to correct each other because all of them dey behave the same thing. So me, e get person wey me and me say, come o, na so dem dey do for this area like this. He say, na part of their life o. No be part of life. May we try to dey caution the children. Okay, forget about the mother and the grandmother and the grand pikin. This one wey be say na great grand pikin na e be to that mama o. This one small. Make we try to teach correct this one. Because if we correct this one, e be like say e go hear us. But the other ones, they don comot for the line wey we fit correct them again. So now I tell the woman say to call this pikin for us one day. Now I call the pikin say, wetin make you dey always dey go where your grandmother dey cook? Because the grandmother dey cook that thing. He say to, if the grandmother dey go cook that thing, he dey tell them say after make dem come, and when dem dey come, the first one wey dem dey filter am, you know say e dey be like kunu. So she go that one never dey catch person. You go fetch am for the children. That you go see the children dey carry am come house. The children go come dey drink. But the only thing we give them, if you buy moi, na be this moi or lele, na dem dey call am. You go buy for them one cup, then children go come eat. So me, I come see say wetin dey make these children dey always go where the grandmother dey cook this thing na hunger. If they say the children dey eat well, children no go there go collect that because that will not add anything to the children. Instead, it dey reduce the children. Then we come back to the mothers. Another thing we say, if you want your pikin to behave well, you the mother, now you go first behave well. Like now, me, I be grandmother. If I want make my daughter to behave well, now me go behave well so that my daughter go behave well. And if my daughter behave well, my grandchildren go behave well. If you not follow this thing by step like that, our society no go better. Now so we go to see the problem upon problem. And that is why we come here to tell you and say, abeg, may we the grandmother, may we the mother, may we start to change. If you dey do this thing for these small children, tomorrow when they go become grandmother like me, wahala go dey. If we no start from today, they teach, correct our own self, so that our daughters go correct themselves, and our fathers too. You go see father say, he no go give money for house, so make the children eat. He no go give him wife money, make them dey cook. But if he comot, you go see am wetin he dey do for beer parlour. Abeg una, make our society good. Make una no dey do like that. Before your children, na them be the first person wey you for suppose to do something. Before your house family belleful, make go carry am go outside. You no go outside, you go dey bring for am.
No dey show say I get. Meanwhile, your house dey suffer.
Your house dey suffer, children dey hunger. Now when we see say our Nigeria too better for us, Kaduna State where we say before if we get 500, we don cook soup, we do two. Now we no fit do like that. As e don better for us like this. So now that's why we come here say make una beg, we dey beg una say abeg everybody, amend your way, amend your life, make it for better for all of us. Make our children no go bring shame come for us for house.
All right.
Now beg I dey beg una.
Evelyn.
Thank you. The way you do train your child, now so the child will grow up. Now, children they very sensitive. They now wetin they see, na they follow, na they do. They go they observe you. If you tell your child say, this person they do for me, tell am say I no dey. You don't start to dey teach am to lie. Now if they think they take start small. You go think say no be something important,
That,
but it is very important.
Mm.
Now, tomorrow you know say, this pikin go say, mama, mommy do this. So if you come call am, tell am say, do something or ask am one question. The next thing you go do is, mommy do no tell truth that day.
Yes,
Me, ma,
me
make
too.
I-
Make I hide am.
You go quickly lie. If you dey observe, you go notice say the child go wan lie for you.
Mm.
Now you dey tell us say wetin we dey do in front of our children determine who these children will be.
Yes.
If we no do am well, e no good. Good children wey you dey see so for outside, wey you dey admire, dey like, na somebody train am.
Now, so
Somebody tell am.
No be heaven throw am down.
Mhm.
Na somebody train am. Na somebody use time, energy train those children.
yes.
If you ask the person wey train am, no go tell you say e easy. E no easy.
You know, easy.
No
But
easy.
if you stand,
E go easy.
e get time wey e dey challenging. Me, e get one time wey I get challenge. How I go manage children, see work,
Work.
and see house wey you
House,
go keep,
housework.
housework. How I go take manage these children? I come see say if I say I go give time for my work,
Mm.
e get some
Things.
aspect wey
Wey
I
no go fit do all.
I go start to dey neglect. Okay, if you tell your child because you wan do work, you go tell yourself, "Aya, do this." If you no do, you go quickly say, "Make I save time.
Yes.
Make I
collect
save time,
am
do am."
Mm.
As you dey go continuously like this, na
You
so
know-
you
you
go
know
dey-
dey teach the
you no dey
pikin.
teach the pikin
You
the right
go
thing,
sabi.
and you go come suffer am.
Yes. Yes.
You go come suffer am. E get one time I say, as I see say I go quickly do that thing because I no wan make dem waste my time.
Mm.
I come see say na my body dey tell me.
Okay.
On my own I sit down say, no, if una go stay here for night
From
today,
night, okay.
una go stay here, una go
Small,
do
small,
am.
una go do am.
My mother-in-law and her friend come visit me one day.
Mm.
Come see say I buy plate
For the children to
for
watch.
the children, the boy and the girl.
Mm.
The girl 8 years, the boy 5 years.
Mm.
She said, "This plate not too much."
I know say
You
gra-
know,
Grammys.
she said this. She said, I tell her, say, na small, yes,
Small,
see,
small.
if you
Then,
they go do, I don't mind. I don't finish everything,
Mhm.
but that one, even if you go take them from morning to
Till night.
night, make
Make
them
them
do
dey
am.
learn am.
So far, na just
Now,
one.
e get as I start that thing before you go fight back, go fight with my daughter. My daughter go plate. She don't want touch plate. I go shout, but I no stop.
Mhm.
I go shout. Sometimes I go hold my head like this, because of I go be disciplined. Do this, please.
But now you don't have.
But
But
now-
now,
You don't
if
rest.
she wash her back, she go help me clean the place
Everywhere.
like this. Anytime I enter,
You are
no be
happy.
small
Their
joy I
mind,
dey feel.
their mind come down.
No
You are happy.
because these children as they still na so they go learn. Na so
Na
be
so.
character too.
Mhm.
Na so.
If you get bad character as a mother or a father, these children dey look,
Then they watch.
they go dey na so, and na wetin they go carry dey exhibit for outside be
Mhm.
that.
And you know, say this upbringing wey we dey talk about, e suppose to be between the father and the mother. Make dem join hand together to bring up these children. So, but the closest person to the children na the mother.
Yes.
You understand? Anyhow wey e be, na the mother na dey always dey very close to them. So that is why you see say if anything happen, you go see say people dey talk say, "Hey, the mother no know, the mother no teach am." Do you understand? People dey hardly call the father. You understand? So, but truly speaking, if you want train up pikin, you go join hand together because anytime wey the mother see say the pikin do wrong, if she report to the father suppose to also caution that
Caution the
pikin.
child.
You understand? And then the respect wey the children go get for the father depend on the mother. Mother wey dey sit down watch the father within in the presence of the children, you dey teach the children how e no go respect the father. And na so the pikin still no go respect people for outside. You understand? So na there I wan just chook mouth small because I no wan make we escape this particular area wey be say na mother na dey very close to the pikin. So some men again, if the mother, like if the man dey drink and the mother no dey drink, and the man go come sit down maybe for sitting room say okay pikin take, the mother say no give am, you go say for what?
Na my house.
Na my house for what? You understand? You see say the thing don dey divided. So now problem go enter that kind of house. The pikin no go know whether to follow left or to follow right, because una no come together to show the pikin the right thing to do. So that one again, e dey cause. That's why you see some children for society, they go dey a little bit confused. If they go this place, they don't know how to behave. If they come here, they don't know how to behave. Do you understand? You go see mixed feelings among the children. So abeg, wetin we dey talk be say upbringing na very very important thing wey God give us as parents to handle. Some go say we be caretaker, na God na him give us, we na caretaker. So if you wan take care of something, you go know as you go take care of it. That's why you go see say some people again wey be say the house don divide.
Divided.
Mother dey somewhere, father dey somewhere. The children, sometimes some of them they get complex problem. You understand? I don't know whether you observe that one, Gloria.
Yes.
So, abeg, before we go round up, make I chook because e get wetin I still remember now.
Okay.
I still wan tell parents say abeg, especially the father, anything wey you know say e no good make you talk where children dey, no talk am.
Okay.
Because this thing make me wan talk this thing, but make una lis ten abeg. E get one family, the sister dey stay with the wife, sister dey stay with them. You know say some men no get respect for themselves. You no know wetin the man with the girl dey do, sha o. The wife no know anything.
Okay.
The son, the small boy wey dey the house, the mother come back, he carry pikin. My baby, how are you? Small time they say, mommy, I miss my period. The thing shock the mother. Say, what did you say? Where did you hear this from? Is it the auntie in the school teach you? He said, no, it's not my auntie that teach me. Say, where did you hear it from? Say, I heard it from my daddy.
Hey.
Where did you heard it from your daddy? Tell my daddy, say it, my auntie, tell my daddy. You see where my you can hear wetin make me talk
about. And the pikin go announce say something dey happen to that.
Wetin I dey talk now. So the little boy now,
he dey
there when the father, when the girl, the auntie dey tell the father of the boy say, I miss my period. And the small boy, he no know wetin e mean. It is a better thing. When the mother come back, make the mother say, my auntie say, tell daddy, he no talk say, now when the mother say, the small boy also say, mommy, I miss my period. And the mother say, shut up. Where did you hear it from? Is it from school? He said, no. Okay, where did you hear it? He said, auntie, tell it to my daddy. You see now, the little boy, he don't know wetin be period o. You, the auntie, and the father.
You feel say the pikin dey small, you no go know wetin dey happen.
You no know wetin dey happen. Maybe you thought they go
but now God don use the pikin to announce wetin don happen.
That is why the wife come turn eye look the man. The man no know wetin to say. So that is why we still bring this matter to the thing wey you dey talk. Some people na neighbor go carry neighbor go sit down with her children. They gossip. When the children see you pass. Children wey dey greet you before, you no go greet you.
Yes.
Because why? The mother don poison
the children
mind against you. So now make we dey tell una abeg, make we know wetin we dey talk where our children dey. You father, you mother, you auntie, make una know wetin una dey talk where these little ones.
No look pikin talk say pikin no go know anything.
Then they drop anything you drop, then they hold am. Anything you drop, they are very sharp, their brain open. As we dey drop, you don't hold am. Even though you no talk am there, if you go talk where be their friends, only them. If you go to
All right.
where be only them.
So thank you very much for that one. No be small wahala dey for that house be that too.
Oh, padi, you don't have to make the knack for them.
She don't come talk wetin. So
I don't know how they go
evening.
Now, advice.
Yes.
The thing be say, we will try. We will do the one where God give us power. We will do. As we do the one where God give us power to, God will help us do
Na
the rest.
so.
Because you don't do the one when you talk same yes. Because even if they do go contrary, your hand
You don't clean.
you don't clean for their matter.
Try for them.
You don't try. Oh, they pray for them. Always they pray for them. Tell them
Sweet things.
something good. Oh, they speak good things for them. Oh no, they insult them or tell them anything. Because as they come out from our mouth, so now so they one they use them, they manifest for their life. But they speak good things and then we speak them so that it will become manifestation.
And we will draw our children come near
Close to ourselves.
so that we will know their friends, we will know where they enter, so that anything where they happen to them, we will know. Maybe say pikin will come die of depression because I don't hear where one pikin go hang himself. Small boy wey be say he get plenty potential. And person wey dey collect scholarship, you no understand. Come go dey pull rope, wetin go cause that kind thing? So abeg, no dey throw our children come and no make sure say anything wey we dey talk or teach them, no we teach them the right thing. Make we no do because na so my mother do me I bad, so my own pikin too go bad. No, e no be like that. You fit cut your pikin off, make you no continue in that kind direction. So if we do that, God will bless us. Yeah, una dey watch us from Procyon radio and television. And the program wey una dey listen to now or watch now na the program wey we dey call Area Tori. We dey for different social media handle, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, we dey for all over. So if you want just get us, make just type Procyon RTV, you go get us. And all our videos wey we don do before go comot. So una go just like, share, and subscribe. God will bless una. We want to end this program evening. Thank you for coming, and Gloria, thank you for coming. My name is Sarah. I want to say make una dey shine like the star wey una be.
Baby, my salon.